Hey everybody, it's Big Guy from Big Guy Reviews. Welcome back to the channel. Today I got something really cool to show you guys. This was purchased from Packard Woodwoks. It's also known as the Wood Turner's Source in Tryon, North Carolina. This is called the Rustina Finish, and what it was developed by this guy, Nick, I'm gonna butcher his name, I'm sure, Agar. And basically what it does is, here's the example. So I took this was just a pressure treated 6x6, and I turned this thing down to kind of look like a candle holder, so to speak. I just really threw it on the lathe just to get a shape out of it. And then what you do is you prime it. There's a couple of different primers here that you can use. Actually, there's three. So there's this Rustina textured primer, which is what this is. So that's going to turn out to look like rust. And then you have a gunmetal gray primer and a black primer. And then you have these paints. Today we're going to paint this thing with the copper paint, okay? And then what you do is you take this aging solution, and after you paint it, while it's still wet, you spray it, and it starts to make the painted surface look very aged, and it makes it look, in this circumstance, it's going to make it look kind of a blue-green color off of copper. And so it's really, there's no rules to it. You kind of paint it, spray it, you can dab on this aging solution. There's a lot of different ways to do it and get different kind of finishes. So this is absolutely my first time in trying this. So I use the Road Rash, which is what this is. And again, the intention is that's going to look like rust at the end of the day. Okay, so we're going to try this thing out. Getting ready. It's already primed, as you see. I've let it dry. So the process is now we're going to paint it, and I'm going to use the copper paint, and then we're going to spray it while it's still wet, and we're going to see how it looks. We're going to get a little creative with it. So let me do that, let it cure and dry, and I'll get back with you. All right, welcome back. So now, as you can see, I've got it painted with the copper paint, and I have now activated it with the blue-green aging solution. Sorry. And we're going to see what happens. So, you know, when it's wet and you put it on, it's just kind of like, you know, you can kind of get creative with it, like such. We'll see what happens. So I'm going to give this thing a couple hours, 3 hours, run to lunch. I'll be back, show you what we got, and then we'll go from there. Hey, welcome back. Look at that. That's kind of cool, right? Got that copper look with the aged finish. Now, obviously, this is not a finished look yet. Once we touch it up, get it looking the way we want to, we're going to put this clear acrylic lacquer on here. It's going to be the last touch. I got the satin finish. I didn't really think a shiny finish would look really good on this, so I guess we're going to touch it up maybe with a different color or two, kind of look at it, see what it looks like, age it a little bit more, and then I'll follow back up with you. But I think I like it so far. It's looking really good. We'll see. All right, we're back. Check it out. I've hit this thing now with some iron paint, some iron aging solution, and then just kind of splashed it on a little bit, let it run. As you can see there, just kind of the uniqueness of this product. It just, you kind of just splotch it on and spray it, let it have a chance to activate. Again, it takes about 2 hours or so to activate. And then after that, we're going to hit it with the clear lacquer. Got it in satin finish. They make it in a gloss as well. I kind of thought this approach that I was going to use would look better with the satin finish instead of gloss. So we'll see what it turns out looking like. Stand by.